bathroom or a shower, do you take your shoes off or do you leave them on? Now, I'm Lisa from Active Domestics, and I've had a cleaning agency for over 15 years now, and it surprises me all the time how many cleaners out there do not know how to clean a shower or a bathroom with their shoes on. Now, think about it. A lot can go on in someone's shower. You do not want to be standing in someone else's shower with no shoes on. That's not good. It's not good because you might slip, trip, or fall. The most common ways that cleaners usually hurt themselves. It's also not good for you because you're around cleaning chemicals of whatever description, be it natural cleaning products or any cleaning products, or many people still use bleach and things in their bathrooms. You don't want that on your skin. It's not good for you. Now remember, when you're cleaning, you want to look after yourself as well because your health is important and so is your safety. So I'm going to show you in my next video how to clean a shower and different types of showers with keeping your shoes on. But first of all, I just wanted to have this quick conversation to get you thinking about reviewing how you're doing things and if you can improve by just learning a few different techniques. So thank you for watching. See you soon.